Iba talaga ang kinang ng pera ng salapi sa mata ng ating mga nasa gobyerno at nagpapatupad ng mga batas. Nakakalungkot isipin na after the declaration of the President on the stoppage of this illegal pogo, meron pa rin na nahuli sa Cebu, sa Kawit, Cavite, at just recently sa Cagayan, which turned out na non-operation na, or maybe, just be notified of the impending raid of the PNP. Indeed, yung galamay ng sindikato dito sa operasyon ng Pogo ay di tumitigil. Bakit kaya? Napakahaba naman ata ng kanilang PC. Napakadami naman nilang salapi that even with the pronouncement of the President on the stoppage of these Pogos, still, there are certain places where Pogos still exist. Hukayin po natin ang ugat ng lahat ng ito at saan sila kumukuha ng lakas ng loob upang ipagpatuloy ang mga iligal na operasyong ito. Recently, as I've heard in the discussion in the Senate, there were allegations of former Chief PNP who received payola for Pogos. Is this true? Totoo ba ito? Is this the reason why operations in conducting on the stoppage of the illegal Pogos in the whole country are not being implemented? Or they are just stories that need no attention for discussion? Bakit masyado ata madaming pera at bilyon-bilyon ang operasyon ng Pogo? From construction of big facilities, buying of lands of certain Chinese corporations, and the financial transaction